Join me as I take on the challenge of making money from home in 2025, using only my skills and creativity. And today, I'm going to show you how thousands of people are turning their laptops into income machines, right from their living rooms. Let's get into it. Forget the hype. Here are proven ways people are doing it every single day. No scams, no fluff. Major companies like Amazon, Apple, and banks are hiring remote customer service agents. You just need good communication skills. No degree required. Look on sites like remote.co, virtual assistant. Become a virtual assistant and earn $10 to $30 per hour. Start on Belay, Boldly, or Upwork. Businesses and influencers are always looking for help with tasks like replying to emails, managing calendars, or social media posting. Online tutoring and homework help. If you're good at a subject, English, math, science, you can teach students around the world online. Use platforms like Preply, Cambly, or Check Tutors. You don't need to be a teacher, just confident in the subject. Audio transcription or captioning. Use sites like Rev, Scribby, or TranscribeMe to turn audio or video into text, like captions for YouTube or podcasts. It's flexible, entry-level work you can do anytime. User testing and feedback. Websites and apps pay for honest feedback. All you need to do is test and speak your thoughts. Sign up on user testing, Try My UI, or Respondent.io. Earn $10 to $50 per test. Selling digital templates or Notion pages, design planners, budget trackers, resume templates, or Notion dashboards. List them on Etsy, Gumroad, or Ko-fi. No shipping, just downloads. 2025 is full of opportunities. You just need to pick the one that fits your skills and schedule. Forget going viral. Focus on getting started. Let the income grow from there.